I don't know if that me or everyone love baked chicken. I love baked chicken wings so much. You are the kind of person who love baked chicken wing. Stick around and let's make this chicken wing. Simple and easy to bake. Doesn't take your time that much. As long as you just wash your chicken. You wash your chicken wing nicely. And on the other side, prepare your seasoning to your liking and mix it really nicely. You're gonna be enjoying it when you pop it there in the oven. In the oven, you're gonna just sit down for 1 hour and just wait for it to just bake in the oven. When it's done, you're gonna love it so much. So what you need, you will go with this small cup. You're gonna take two, but if you're using the second cup, you should be using one full one. That is the small cup. It's equal to big cup like 3 times actually, 4 times actually. And if you're using like the medium one, it's equal to 2. But if you're using that small one, you should use 2. But if you're using the middle one, just use 1 cup will be enough. You're using the big one, just use half. So far, I pour my oil inside, and I'm using these spices to seasoning our chicken and bake it. You have to prepare your paste on the other side, especially you have to prepare your seasoning before putting the chicken inside, because that is the baking equipment I'm gonna use there. So far it's good, and there are my seasoning. You like them, you can get them in Costco and Superstore in other places here in Canada or anywhere. The spices are just simple, nice, and easy to memorize. Not too much, and so far it's good. And that is my powder, my garlic powder. But if you prepare the fresh one, it's good too. Yeah, but for me, I prepare this one because it's much easy for me to blend it together and mix it. But if you prefer the fresh one, you just need to just crush it and mix it with, and it's still gonna give you that amazing aroma, and it's gonna be so nice. For me, I use a better black pepper, because black pepper I don't want it too much because it's spicy. I'm gonna be using the other sauce over there to give it that color and to give it that flavor, because that's what I like. I like more flavor on the chicken, and that's why I use 2 cups of oil, and that should be just perfect. But if you are afraid the oil will be too much, you can use 1 cup. 1 cup is enough. But for me, I'm using 2 because the chicken is a bit big. It's not small, and these are small wing actually, and they are perfect to bake or maybe fry. But for me, I'm baking them. That are the sauce I'm using. You can check on the back, and you can still get them for yourself if you like them. This is how I'm gonna be mixing it like that. I will mix it together, combine it together until it becomes like a sauce, like you see. And that's how it should look. Actually, you mix it really nice. It should look like a little bit that color. It should give you that color before you put your chicken in there, or maybe dump them in there. There's my chicken. There's small chicken wing. That I washed them already, and they like clean enough and ready to go in there. So now I will pour them inside, pour them all the way, and mix them really nicely. You have to mix them until the sauce or paste is all combined to the chicken, because you want the chicken to take that flavor entirely. And so far it's good, but I just wanted to thank you guys for watching this video, and for watching all my video, and for being a part of my journey. It's not easy to grow on YouTube, but we're trying our best. You watched until this far. Thank you for watching. And just share your opinion in the comment section, and share with me how you make your chicken too. And will you try this recipe? It's yes. You can comment yes. And let me know too what you like about this video. And you are watching for the first time, thank you for watching, and welcome to the channel. But you are my subscriber. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for coming back to watch. And you are my new subscriber. Thank you for choosing to subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you guys all. And let's go back to cooking. Thank you so much for this. And now, when it's combined together like that, you have to light up your stove first. Give at least like 2 minutes for the heat to come. But you don't have time like me. It can come all the way. It's okay because it's gonna cook for 1 hour and a half. Because you want to put it in a lower like 300, 350, and it should cook in 350, and then you change like to 400 later for like a 15 minutes only, and then inside you keep mixing it for it to combine the juice, the flavor inside, because you have to mix it all the way in the oven. You like after 30 minutes you mix, after 30 minutes you mix. When it's done, it should look like this one. And so far like this now, it's so good and amazing. And you serve yourself. You can have it with anything you like, or maybe you can just have it like that as a chicken. It's really good. For me, I really enjoyed. I enjoyed it so much yesterday because I made it at night. I was baking it at night, and it was so good. Really, really good. And I was having it too with the rice. Like I could have shown you now, but it's okay. But you could have it with rice, and it's so good. You could have it with salad too. It's good. Whatever you choose.